Okay, here it is. I would assume this is it. Looks like it to me. It's been a long journey. Today is August 28th and July 3rd was the day I reserved my boosted rev. If you order one of these, be prepared for it to take a while. Let's do it! No, I don't have a professional unboxing knife. Sorry. Step 1, complete. Step 2. Open the box. Sweet. Step 3. Too heavy to lift. Cutting the side with scissors. Okay, that was fun. Now let's see if we can get it open. Hey, Megs. There it is. And there's the cat who's very interested in what's going on. Let's get it cracking. Okay. That came right out. Okay, that was harder than I thought it would be. And that is a silica packet. Serious. Speaking of serious, okay. And now I gotta read the instructions. Here we go. That's a hex bolt, and you gotta grab that. Okay, where the hell is this thing at? It's in there. I don't even know if I can show it to you. It's it right there. Okay, I moved it. Looks like it's on there good. Yeah, it's on there good. Okay. So, what do we got? I removed the multi-button thingy. Let's see how much power it's got. Not much. Charge time. All right, I'm looking for the charge port. Is it on the neck over here? Nope. "10-4, good buddy." Okay. Plugged in. Charging, how do you know? Right there. It'll tell you.